everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a beautiful 1971 Chevrolet C10 Short Box, matching numbers, big block 402 truck, guys. Very hard to get. Short box. It's finished in the original medium blue two-tone. It's a two-tone truck. I think it was actually a two-tone blue truck from the factory, and they changed it to blue and white. But you'll actually see the original paint in the engine compartment of the truck. But killer truck. I'll tell you what, when I first got it in, drove it for the day, great truck, man. I mean, this thing runs and drives excellent. Original Protecto plate for the truck. You can see it was bought new in Virginia. Actually, a buddy of mine is the one who got me this truck out of West Virginia. Recent body up restoration. Very nicely done. I mean, turnkey, go have some fun truck. All new rubber on it. Those are 20-inch American Racing Torque Thrust 2 wheels. Chrome and stainless is really nice. I mean, just an awesome, awesome truck. I'm a huge fan of the Hounds Tooth interior. It's one of my favorite things on an old truck. I like Hounds Tooth in cars, but without a doubt, I think it's killer in trucks. You can see a couple of scratch marks in the chrome there. Bumpers are replaced. A drip of rain or something there. And this thing hits the road outstanding. I love the color combination. And again, huge fan of the Hounds Tooth interior. That's all new in there. Glass is nice. Fit and finish is excellent on the truck. It's got the painted bed. And again, this is a real matching numbers big block truck. You can verify that because of the Protecto plate. I love the wood grain trim on it. Truck sits good. Like I say, just drives down the road outstanding, man. Doesn't shimmy, shake, squeak, rattle. I mean, this thing just rolls. Again, new rubber, new wheels. Those are 20-inch Torque Thrust 2s. "12-bolt rear, not a big gear in the back. It's probably a stock, 331. I'm not real sure what these things came factory with. Front disc brakes. Dual chrome mirrors. Again, matching numbers, 402. I think they call this an L47 option. Chrome air cleaner and valve covers. Again, look, see the original paint there on your lower firewall there? Thought that was pretty cool. Power steering, power disc brakes. There's your original inspection mark on your firewall. .350 trans. Just a pretty truck, man. Now, there is a whole lot to like about this truck. And like I say, you get it in and drive it, man, it's just a sweetheart. Pick the A-pillar trim there a little bit. Again, looks like the original mirrors. Door handles have definitely been replaced. Clean door skins. Looks like all new interior, new carpet, new sill plates. I've got mats on the way. I apologize, the mats are just taking so long. That's just the world right now. Everything takes so long to get. This is all repadded, refoamed. Really nice. Factory steering wheel. Showing 15,789. I'm sure that's 115. There's supposed to only be a couple thousand miles on the truck since it was done. Radio delete, blower motor works, all the gauges work. Again, 12-bolt rear end, Flowmaster dual exhaust. Definitely a highway gear. Something to get on the expressway and cruise, guys. Let's just leave the brakes in there, guys. Just clean old truck, man. A little touch-up mark on your inner fender well there. Man, just a nice truck. Clean underneath. Got you some pictures at the bottom. Bunch of new stuff coming, guys. Make sure you're keeping track of that website, our social media sites. I'm trying to buy the heck out of them. Original jack's still back there. That's pretty cool. Tire irons back there. Again, seats real nice. They've redone all that. Original, there's your original parts identification with your VIN and everything on it. There's your protector plate, owner's manual, factory padded dash truck, radio delete. Hey, that thing just purrs like a kitten, man. I probably put, I don't know, 15, 20 miles on it. Great truck. Turn the key, go have some fun. Again, all your gauges are functional. Truck's holding good oil pressure. Doors open and close real nice. Sounds like a big block should. I think you got your right turn signal on still. Blower motor works. Again, it's radio delete truck. And guys, make sure you keep tracking our website at southernmotors.com. Check us out on social media, Facebook, Instagram. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little red button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video, guys. Great way to keep track of what's coming in. Oh, that's pretty good. I'm telling you, that's just a killer old truck. Great day, guys.